Hi, my name is Pam Doneen, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a day of flex meals. I'm not going to go over my smart carbs and power fuels. I'm just going to stick to my flex meals that I did today. So for breakfast, a flex meal consists of a power fuel and a smart carb, plus you add one of your power fuels for the day to your breakfast. Lunch consists of a power fuel and a smart carb, and dinner is 2 power fuels and a smart carb, and your snack is a power fuel and a smart carb. For my snack, I try to match the Nutrisystem snack because I was finding if I was doing a power fuel smart carb combination, a lot of times the calorie count was a little bit too high for me. So I just try to find something that has the right amount of fiber and the right amount of protein in it to match up to Nutrisystem. So let me show you a day of flex meals. This is what I'm having for a flex meal breakfast this morning. What it is a half a cup of egg whites with a whole bunch of sauteed vegetables. It's mushrooms, onions, and peppers, and then a pear for my power fuel. So that's the main flex part. It's 1 power fuel, 1 smart carb. And then you add in another power fuel from the day, which is going to be my 4 pieces of this turkey bacon. And 2 slices is 50 calories. I'm having 4 slices, so it's 100 calories. And then that would be 12 grams of protein for this turkey bacon. And then I'm going to put some hot sauce on my eggs. And then to drink, I'm having this diet cranberry juice, and it's only 5 calories for 8 ounces. So I think this looks like a really good flex breakfast, and yum, I'm gonna go eat. This is what I'm having for my flex lunch today. And what it is made up of is the pita bread, and you can have 2 pieces of this pita bread. 2 pieces is 120 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. So you could use it either as a smart carb or a power fuel. I'm using it as my smart carb. What I'm using for the power fuel portion is on these 2 pieces of bread, I put 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, and I put these pieces of bread under the broiler. And with each piece of my bread, I cut it along the seam, so 2 pieces became 4 pieces. And so I put Parmesan cheese on 2 of them, and then on my other one, I used this orange marmalade, this sugar-free, and it's only 10 calories for a tablespoon. So on these 2 pieces, I used 3 tablespoons. And then I am having a large bowl of unlimited soup. So this is my flex lunch for today, and I'm gonna go eat. So for dinner tonight, I am having cod, and I'm gonna have 4.5 ounces, which is 1.5 power fuels. And I get this at Costco, and they're individually wrapped inside these. But anyway, so this is 1.5 power fuels. And in the sauce is where I'm going to put the other half of the power fuel. The sauce that I'm using is a tablespoon of this light mayonnaise, which is 1 extra, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, which is 1/2 a power fuel. Then I'm going to use a teaspoon of white wine and 1/4 of a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then I put it in this little sauce. I mix it all up. I cooked this fish at 450 for about 14 minutes, and I serve it with brown rice and asparagus, and I will show you when I am done. I thought I would show you the finished product. I really enjoy this dinner. So with the fish and the topping, the rice, and asparagus. So I'm gonna go eat my dinner. What I am having today for my snack are these Flex protein crisps. These are cheddar and sour cream. They also come in barbecue and buffalo wing flavor. So they are like that. It's a pretty full bag. And they are 100 calories, 4 grams of fiber, 10 grams of protein. I kind of compare them to the barbecue crisps from Nutrisystem. Those are 140 calories, 3 grams fiber, and 7 protein. Or the sweet jalapeno crisps from Nutrisystem. Those are 140 calories, 2 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein. So anyway, I'm gonna go eat these and go to bed. So that was my day with my Flex Meals. Hey, first, if you're getting help from this video, if you could do the thumbs up, the subscribe and notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. But anyway, that was Flex Meals for the day. I hope it was helpful because they can seem intimidating, but just keep on working on them. You will get it, and we can do this. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you, and I will see you soon. Have an amazing week. Thank you.